Guys, this is Josh from Hedgehog. We turn marketing data into actionable insights so that you can make impactful decisions. What I wanted to show you today is how to set up the Google Ads tag for remarketing. What that will do is it will allow you to understand who visited your website and put those people into an audience inside of Google Ads platform so you're able to remarket to them. That allows you to retarget people on Google's display network or YouTube based on the interactions they've taken on your website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump over to my second screen, and as per usual, I'm going to start with Google. So the first thing to do, if you haven't already, is Google search Google Ads, and just scroll down to the first organic listing and sign up to Google. If you're lucky, you'll get a $100 sign-up voucher. Google does tend to give those out to new businesses. But I've already set mine up. I won't take you through the boring stuff. So if we jump over to this, and we can see my Google Ads Manager here with absolutely nothing in it because I'm in my demo account. So what I'd like to show you is if I click Tools and Settings in the top bar, and then we hover over to the column that says Shared Library, which is the second from the left, and we click Audience Manager. From Audience Manager, we have an ability just to set up an audience source, and that source is going to be from our website. So there's a few different options here. I want us to click the Google Ads tag and to set up that tag. So we're going to create the data source here, and I won't read you through all of this, but there's a couple of different things that we can do. One is only collect general website visit data to show ads to your website visitors, and two, collect data on specific actions that people performed on your website to show personalized ads. And we've got the advanced settings over here, but we don't need to worry about those. Now, what we're actually going to go for is we're going to go for the second type, and the reason for that is because we want to segment people based on the actions they've taken on our website. Have they clicked on a button? Have they added an item to the cart? Have they added it to the checkout? Did they buy or did they not buy? And would we like to retarget them based on those actions that we've taken? Yes. We're able to make, or you're able to make, much more custom and bespoke advertisements which speak directly to people based on the actions they've taken if you know more information about them. So I always opt for the side of data. And so let's run through this. So let's choose a type of business that represents your products and services. Make sure that you choose the right one. I'm going to go for custom. Cool. So now we need to install the tag. We've got a few different options. Install it yourself. Nah, unless you know what you're doing in the back end. Email the tag if you're working with a developer, or we can use the lovely Google Tag Manager because we've already installed it. So to do this, we'll need the conversion ID to set up the tag in Google Tag Manager, and that is right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make sure that we highlight that and we copy it, just like per usual. Awesome. So you can basically get these instructions by clicking this drop down here, and it will explain to you exactly what to do. And so what we're going to do is we're going to move over to Google Tag Manager. Awesome. So we're going to jump over to Google Tag Manager and wait for this to load up and have some fun. Cool. So we're just going to jump into Strawsome, which is our website, and we've already got a container set up. We've already got Google Tag Manager set up. Well done. So what we need to do is we need to add a new tag on the left-hand side. We're going to click New, and we're going to call this Google Ads Remarketing. Now the first button is the tag configuration, and in here we're going to go for Google Ads Remarketing Tag, which is fifth from the top. So we're going to click that, and then we have the conversion ID. Luckily, we already copied the conversion ID, so we're just going to paste that in. Awesome, that's all done. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click the triggering, and we're going to select all pages because we want to make sure that we're tracking visitors on every single page. Awesome. So we're going to click Save. That's going to pop down for us, and it's as easy as that. And Google Ads Remarketing is now set up in Google Tag Manager. The only thing left for us to do is click Submit. Don't forget to write your description down. Google Ads Remarketing installed. Added the tag. Awesome. Cool. So we're going to hit Publish. Seem like no one's listening. And now you basically have Google Ads Remarketing installed on your website, and what that means is that you're able to capture the information of people who visited your website. You're able to understand the actions that they've taken on your website and remarket to them based specifically on the actions they have taken. So you're able to nurture people down that funnel and have a more likely chance of converting them into a customer or a lead or taking the action that you'd like them to take. Cheers. Thanks.